Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to use Google Meets. If you're in your email, you can click on the 9 dots in the grid on the top right, scroll down and choose the icon that says Meet. It has a video picture, video camera. You're going to choose on Join or Start a Meeting. You could call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it March 23rd Live Meetup. Click on Continue. It's going to then bring you to a page where you have to yourself click on Join Now. Once you click that, it's going to give you the URL that you will need, that you will have to copy and paste to put into your Google Classroom. So if I go to my tab for Google Classroom, I could click Add and click on Link, and I'm going to paste it into one of my assignments, and you'll see that I put an instruction saying that, hi class, I will be meeting with you live at 8 a.m. on March 23rd. Click on the link below to join. If you cannot join the live meetup, I will post a link for you to view it later when it is more convenient for you. I might put a due date, or I would schedule it for March 23rd, 8 a.m. Then I want to go back into the Meet. I could X out. I would use this same URL on March 23rd to get into the Meetup. And I would X out. Just a few things about Google Meetup. You can obviously turn your mic off. You wouldn't want to do that, but you have the option of turning other people's mics off. You can turn off your camera. And you could, with the 3 dotted lines, record your meeting right here. And to present your screen to show your students something that you're doing on the computer, you would click Present Now, and you would choose your entire screen or your window. So if you choose your entire screen, you would just choose this and then Share. I hope this is helpful.